The fisherman cast his net into the river, invoking the name of Allah. After waiting all day, he caught 2 large fish. As he was gathering his net, an eagle swooped down swiftly, grabbed one of the fish in its talons, and flew away. The fisherman felt deep regret, but then he thought for a moment and smiled. His son began to curse the eagle and their fate. The fisherman said, "Son, be grateful to Allah that 1 fish remained. The other fish was not destined for us. Whatever is meant for us will come to us. Cursing fate is the act of the ungrateful." The eagle flew towards a mountain. Another eagle attacked it to snatch the fish. A struggle ensued between the 2 eagles, and the fish slipped from the talons and fell in front of a hermit's hut on the mountain. The hermit picked up the fish, looked towards the sky, and said, "O Allah, you have answered my prayer. I only asked for a fish, but you know I have no oil or spices to cook it. I need a cooked fish. I cannot eat this raw fish. Please take it back and send me a cooked fish instead." After saying this, the hermit went back into his hut. When he came out a little later, the fish was gone. An eagle had picked it up and was flying away, pursued by other eagles trying to snatch it. In the struggle, the fish fell into the courtyard of a poor farmer. The farmer's wife quickly picked it up and said to her husband, "I've been telling you for days that I crave fish. You never brought me any, but today, Allah has sent it to me. I had vowed that whenever I cooked fish, I would send some to the hermit on the mountain. Now I will grind the spices and cook the fish. You go and take it to the hermit and ask him to pray that our unborn child remains healthy and safe." As the farmer's wife was cooking the fish, the fisherman, who was a friend of the farmer, arrived. The farmer said to him, "You've come at the right time. Today we have fish. Stay and eat with us." The fisherman asked in surprise, "But where did you get the fish? I'm the one who usually brings it to you." The farmer replied, "Well, you could say Allah dropped it from the sky into our courtyard." He then narrated the entire story of how the eagle had dropped the fish there. The fisherman smiled but said nothing. When the farmer went to the mountain to give the cooked fish to the hermit, the fisherman accompanied him. The farmer presented the bowl of cooked fish and requested a prayer. The hermit looked at both of them and asked, "Where did the fish come from?" The farmer replied, "It fell from the sky. My wife had vowed that if she ever got fish, she would first feed it to the hermit on the mountain and ask for prayers for the health and safety of our unborn child." Then the hermit turned to the fisherman and asked, "Who are you?" The fisherman replied, "I am a fisherman. This morning I caught 2 fish. One was destined for my family, and the other was taken by an eagle." After hearing the whole story, the hermit said, "We all desire to eat fish. Allah fulfilled all our desires in this manner at the same time. This is but a small miracle of His. We should be grateful to Him